Are you over 50 and looking for a car that is comfortable, reliable, and stress-free to drive? In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best used cars in the USA that are perfect for mature drivers, cars with smooth rides, low maintenance costs, great safety ratings, and easy entry and exit. Let's get started. Number 1. Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry is one of the most reliable sedans in America. Why it's perfect for drivers over 50. Extremely comfortable seats. Smooth and quiet ride. Excellent fuel economy around 28-39 mpg. Very low maintenance cost. Strong resale value. The Camry is perfect for daily commuting, long highway drives, and stress-free ownership. If you want something simple, dependable, and long-lasting, this is a top choice. Number 2. Honda CR-V. If you prefer an SUV with higher seating position, the Honda CR-V is ideal. Why older drivers love it: easy to get in and out, great visibility, spacious interior, excellent safety ratings, around 28-34 mpg. It's practical, comfortable, and very reliable, especially for families and road trips. Number 3. Subaru Outback. For those living in snowy or rainy states, the Subaru Outback is a fantastic option. Key benefits: standard all-wheel drive, comfortable suspension, advanced safety features, stable and confident handling. It's perfect if safety and road stability are your priority. Number 4. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 is one of the best-selling SUVs in the USA. Why it works for 50-plus drivers: comfortable driving position, hybrid option with amazing fuel economy, reliable engine, strong resale value. It's practical, safe, and easy to maintain. Number 5. Hyundai Sonata. If you want something modern but affordable, the Hyundai Sonata is a smart pick. Smooth ride, advanced technology, great warranty, excellent fuel efficiency. It offers luxury features at a lower price compared to many competitors. If you're looking for a comfortable and reliable used car in the USA, these 5 options are some of the best choices available right now. Let me know in the comments, which one would you choose? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest car reviews made for American drivers. See you in the next video.